We are recording, my boys. No, it's tiny.
Bring him here again.
Finally, jeez. Oh, it's a bow. Or it's, no, it's a tiger. It's a tiger.
It's a brook.
Brook or tiger?
Brook.
Yeah. Here, bring him up. Yeah, it's a nice, it's a little cute brook. Yeah, so dude, cast. Here, just grab him, just grab him. Screw you. Just flip him up here.
I got it.
We're getting Nicole, right?
Yeah.
That's a fish, guys. That is a fish. That's actually a pretty nice brook, too. We're gonna catch you one day, don't worry. Sorry that I didn't finish.
Oh, that's fine.
Guys, look at that. We caught a brook trout.
I'd rather you get it.
That is a beautiful brook trout, too.
Why do I always fall in?
I don't know. Why do you always fall in? Let's tell the camera that. So that's a beautiful brook trout. I'm gonna get a picture and then release him.
You're not really falling in. Well, you're not really seeing him.
Brookie. I swear to God.
Wait, just kidding. I don't.
Cole. Bro, where's your stringer?
I got it. Cole, I got it. Don't worry. I got it.
Hey.
Yeah. We'll just put them on the string because they can't be on the same string.
What's that's good.
Yeah.
Put him on the string. Come.
Put them on a...
Here, just put them on the string?
No, it's fine. No, because I'm not taking it home.
Well, yeah, no, but
Yeah, what's gonna happen? Yeah.
Yeah, but
Everybody is...
oh, got one. Yep. Tiny as hell. Tiny. Never mind, it's not tiny. You got a brown, it looks like. No! Ah! Well, he was going back anyway. To get my jerkbait out, my awesome jerkbait. Not yet. Come on, it's right. 100% worth it. Ooh, it's soaking cold, but it's worth it. Oh. All right, guys, I didn't get on camera, but I just caught this rainbow. I wasn't expecting to catch anything, so I didn't have it on. And yo, he's been caught before. Look at that.
Really?
He's got another treble in his mouth. Either this fish was broken off or he got caught before.
All right, dinky treble.
Yeah, I know. These fish were going finesse. So I'm gonna take one hook out, and oh wait, the other hook already came out. Basically, let me get him out. All right, let's get. I'm just burning it. All right, let's get it dope. Releasing this guy. Sorry, guys. Oh my God, my stupid net. Yeah, it hit it as soon as it hit the water too. There he goes, guys. All right, we're staying here. Ah, they're stacked and fired up. Bro, yeah, I got absolutely cranked. Oh, there we go. Got him. Got him. Oh, that's a nice one. No, it's not that. This current. These fish are rolling when they get hooked. Dude, Jason probably lost one. Oh, there's one. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's a bow. When you check the camera.
Let's move down. So sort of dry down. We would for sure put more work on it. Take a step with every time.
Got him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I thought it was a pally for a second. Oh my God. Oh, geez, dude, you don't understand. My heart stopped. My heart stopped. Yeah, but I wasn't. I saw the fins. All right, yeah, we're not moving, guys. Yeah, that's a good brown. That's a good brown. It's like a 13-inch brown, nice stocky. He is ready to go back, and this camera is indeed rolling. So let's get a release on this fish. And there he goes.